every single curl is perfectly defined from the root to the ends. I don't even want to disturb these curls. You see that? That's actually crazy. As far as construction standard, we have clips and elastic band. The elastic band is adjustable, but it's not removable. That's the only thing I have on, and I have my wig cap covering all my hair. This is a 5x5 C part. I did go in and pluck it just a little bit along the hairline. I'm gonna keep the C part because I like it. I'm gonna try to do some baby hair just to make it a little bit more like my style. So this is how it will look when you receive it. Curls everywhere. All the hair is pulled to the front. Density is 150. If we were to pull it apart, fluff it out, define the curls, of course it's gonna look bigger. But the first thing I wanna do is define the part because I just want this to look like scalp. So of course I'm gonna use what I always use, the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. Sometimes it can look a little light in the part, so I'll either go in with a brown powder or mascara. I think I'm gonna do mascara because I have quite a bit I want to cover up. And the mascara you use doesn't matter. It just needs to be something that obviously you're not gonna put on your eyes. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, but again, it doesn't matter. I think we're gonna go ahead and hot comb it first. I just want a little bit more flatness here and on my edges, so when I do the baby hair, everything lays nicely. The hot comb is heating up. Sometimes I like to use this wax stick, and sometimes I like to use foam wrap. But this is a little low, so I think today I'm just gonna use this wax stick. This hot comb might be a little too hot, I don't know. Oh no, that's good. Oh shoot. I'm not gonna pull it all the way through the hair because I want to keep my curls. Pin this away because it's time to cut this lace, and I'm gonna cut it as close as I can. If I could find another hairpin. Okay, let's see. Start down the middle, nothing fancy, right across. And you see how you really can't, like sometimes when I turn my head you can see the lightness of it. If you wanted to go in with a concealer, powder, lace tint of your choice, that would be fine. But I don't think I'm going to need it, especially once the edges get done. I think it'll be just fine. Once I have the hairs out, I'm going to cut them and then we're going to gel them down. Of course, we have handy dandy Eco Styler gel. To my liking. I may have to do this a couple times. I just do it until it feels good. Now, keep in mind, this is a me thing. You don't have to do edges. It looks good without it. I'm just showing you another way. I'm going to use these 4 products to define the hair and give me the look I'm going for. Water to fully saturate the hair. Leave-in conditioner to add some moisture, especially since we didn't wash this hair first. A lot of body is going to do all the defining, and I also like that this gives a lot of shine when it dries down. And we'll finish up with the Garnier Fructis Curl Scrunch, and this is just going to give it a little bit extra hold, but we don't need a lot of this because we don't want it to be crunchy.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
This is how the hair will look if you decide to go the more defined route. You could leave it how it was when you get it out the box and just pull your curls apart. Fluff it for like a curly fro. Some of the curls clump together. Some of them are like more so on their own. So it really does look natural, like a wash and go. This is glueless, so you can put it on, take it off as you need. The textures, the curls, beautiful. C part already parted for you. Edges, no edges, totally up to you. The more you pull it apart, fluff it up, of course the bigger it's gonna get. If you're looking for a natural wash and go type of wig, I will link this from Luvme in the description, as well as all their information. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I just want your perfect mind.